Hi, this is Ferreira from anyhousecleaning.com, and this is the house that I'm talking about. A week ago, week and a half, a client from UK called me to ask me for an estimate. I record previously this house when there was the carpet and everything inside the house. The situation here in this house, this is an eviction home. And the owner have to travel from UK, and he hired us to remove all the things inside the house and put it into trash. We rented a container. We are gonna pull it with our truck. Previously, he asked me how much I will charge for steam cleaning and sanitize the carpet. I told the price. I said, you know what? I cannot guarantee that all the stains go out. I suggest to look around, shop around, and see if they can remove the carpet and put a new carpet. So he was really smart, and he did that. Previously in our before video, this area was with wood, laminate wood. They remove it, they're gonna put carpet. I'm gonna record upstairs. They remove all the carpet, the wood things, the padding, everything. Now the house look like this. It's really sad because the tenant destroyed the house. There was animals inside this house. It was horrible. A lot of poo, a lot of pee, excess urine on the carpet. The urine passed the padding and damaged the drywall. Those stains are damaged. It's no water damage. It's urine. I don't know if their owner are gonna replace those bad areas. I really don't think so. And it's sad when someone buy a new house because they get impressed with the walls, with the painting, with some decoration, but they don't know behind the carpet how was the walls or how was the drywalls. The house smells really, really bad. This house is in really bad condition. The owner wants to sell it. He's tired to rent and have bad people who rent. Right now, our job is just to remove the garbage downstairs. As soon as they finish cleaning the house and painting everything, I'm gonna do the pressure washer and cleaning. He said that. Let me try to open this. I cannot open. Well, all this area was covered with poo. They cleaned it all. Still some situation here. So there is a lot of work in this house, but for now we are gonna just do the downstairs, the garage, and the trash. I make this video to show you the condition of this house. This is the second video after they remove all the things, the beds, the toys, the garbage, the carpet and the padding. I'm gonna make eventually another video showing how it came. But it's really, really sad that people are remodeling the house just for the surface, for the painting, and don't take care of really the structure. But just to be advised, if you're renting or if you're gonna buy, take a look, really, the property. Pay a little bit more for the home inspection. Because this bad, this can be unhealthy. It can create mold. Well, I'm gonna show you right now the other area and then go back. They need to remove this. Oh, I can't do that. It was an anchor tenant. They destroyed the house. The owner had to fly back to his country, that is UK, and he told me that he's gonna come back in 2 weeks. So let's see. The downstairs, and I have to do the tile eventually, cleaning all the tile. The pool was green, for real, really bad. They are painting right now, and eventually I'm gonna clean everything. But for now, it's just to remove the garbage. The blinds. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna show you the garage now, and the guys are working right now. The smell is really strong. Really, really, really strong. Let me go out. If you have the similar situation, if you need to remove junk, removal, if you need to throw out some garbage, if you want your house clean, just call us at 407-572-4118. We do heavy duty cleaning, move in, move out, eviction cleaning, construction cleaning. And you can call us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching.
Creo que es un retacito de esa, para irnos con la gruesa. Sí.